Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening time, drive time update. So wakey everybody in America. Good afternoon, good evening to the rest of you around the world and anybody on planet Mars, guys. And we got lots to talk about today. We're seeing that the whales are moving some of their Bitcoin back on exchanges, so that's never a good sign. We're also seeing some conflicting data out there that, in fact, there's good signs that still indicate that this whole big fake out for the last 2 weeks of December could be the fake out before the huge breakout to the upside, guys. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and I'm just an OG in the house expressing his opinion. This is the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, guys, and I just bring you love over the interwebs, guys. And keep in mind that this video is for education, entertainment purposes. I'm absolutely not a licensed financial advisor. I gotta say that, guys. I'll get myself in trouble if I don't. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. You guys need to watch this to the end, guys. And we got some huge data, some huge catalysts, and some huge information. And we could be seeing a monster bullish breakout coming soon, guys. So let's jump into it, guys. Jump into it, guys. And let's get it, guys. And don't panic out there. And don't forget to go down there. Smash the likes right now. Subscribe YB right now, and don't forget to go down there, make a comment, and also too, don't forget to if you're watching the live stream, give a super chat, support the channel every time, all the time, guys. And don't forget at the end of the video, you can click on the merch link and go to the store, guys. We got tons of merch, guys. Check out the merch, guys. It's almost Christmas. Why would you want to get some merch, guys? We got the mug, we got backpacks, we got pillows, we got socks, we got pajamas, we got girl stuff, baby stuff, we got all sorts of stuff, guys. So merch up with the OG merch. Gear up, guys, in the house. You know you want it, guys. So gear up, guys. What are you waiting for? Christmas is coming. Santa is coming. You love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. So this is from Infoblock, and we're going to talk about the number of addresses that are in profit right now. So you can see that out of all the BTC holders, we got 78% of all holders are in profit. We got 86% of all Ethereum holders are in profit. 55% of all the Doji Wozers are in profit right now. So that's kind of cool, guys, that, at least more than half of you are making some money. I know that a lot of you watching this, and, Doge has been going down right now. It's, trading around about 16.5 right now. That's pretty pathetic in the house, guys, and we need that definitely to pump. We're also seeing that 56% of all Shiba Inu holders are also in profit. Remember, a lot of Shiba Inu holders who are holding now got in really late to the game. I mean, if you guys had got in like a year ago, you guys have been making bang right now. You'd be going to the moon, guys. You'd be beyond moon. You'd be at Jupiter right now. That's how much cash would have been made if you guys were aped into Shiba a year ago. I wasn't into it. My wife wasn't into it. We only got in recently. We're still in profit. We're one of these 56%ers. And in Matic, you'd be 83%, and Algorand, you'd be at 77%. So if you're in ADA, you would be at 73% losses. Sushi 84 on Uni at 71, guys. So that's another reason I dumped my ADA. At least I dumped it about $1.87, the majority of it. That was my average dump get out of town price. So I still made money because I bought it under $1. So like I said, for ADA, it's just not been going anywhere for a long time. Look, I'm not hating on the ADA. I'm not hating on Charles. Just wasn't moving fast enough for me. So that's why I got out. That's all, guys. I mean, I'm a buyer. I am a buyer at $1, guys. I am a buyer at $1. But I believe at the end of this bull run, we could be seeing, I would say, an average price of ADA maybe around 79 cents. That's what I'm thinking. So if it goes down that low, I'm going to be buying, guys. And don't forget that the next bull run is going to be in 2025, guys. We're going to have the next halving in 2024. So 2022, we're definitely going to be seeing at some point the Bitcoin price is going to go down probably about 50% from its all-time highs. That's pretty normal, or more. And, I think we could go as low as in 2022. I think we could go back down to 24,000. And then, in 23, we could be going as low as maybe, like 18 to 15K area. Maybe with some, crazy dips to 10K. That's possible. And then 2025, I think it's going to make going to make this year look insanely small. I think in 2025 we're going to see, Bitcoin's going to go 4 times, 5 times, guys. It's going to be crazy, guys, because this is going to be one of the last big years for Bitcoin. So we're going to talk about how much Bitcoin is still left to mine, guys. We're also going to talk about that. So let's jump into it. So this is Plan C. So, and he's saying that I'm really bullish on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and this is no hopium, but this is just facts, guys. We're seeing all-time high illiquid supply, so the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is the lowest it's ever been. We've talked about that. We're seeing all-time hash rate. The hash rate for Bitcoin miners is the highest it's ever been. We're seeing all-time high stable coin supply and exchanges. So people are moving stable coins back on exchanges. That means they're going to be buying, guys. The all-time high percentage of supply not active in 3 years. So the amount of non-active Bitcoin is the highest it's ever been in 3 years. So that just means that nobody's selling, everybody's holding. Supply and exchanges is at a 41-month low, guys, 41-month low. And we're also seeing increasing OTC desk activity. And remember, typically, people who are buying on OTC is not you and me, the minnows, the shrimps, the tunas. It's the whales, guys. Even the dolphins are, the dolphins are on OTC, guys. So that's why when you see a lot of OTC activity, which is a whalish activity, it doesn't affect the spot price of Bitcoin because we don't see it. It doesn't affect the order book on exchanges. So that's why we don't see things going up in terms of price, guys. So keep that in mind. So I still remain very, very bullish in the house because of all of these things, guys. So you guys should be bullish as well. This just came out from Tech Dev right now. So what's going on? The 12 hour getting closer to the RSI resistance. So we had this fake out, then it got close to the resistance level, then a breakout, then we had a fake out here, then we're seeing a breakout. So once we have these breakouts here, you can see the pumps, guys. We saw a pump to all-time high, around here. Then we had a bit of a fake out, another double top pump. Then we went all the way down. So we should be going up, guys. All the technicals are pointing that we are going to go up, guys. We are definitely going to go up. So you can see here we've seen similar patterns all year long. Fake out, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, and every time we hit this RSI here, it indicates that we're going to get a pumpity pump pump. So I think it's going to happen. And don't forget, we've got this whole on December the 16th. We got this big Federal Reserve meeting, guys, that's happening. So that's why the markets are pretty quiet right now, because I think after December 16th, we're going to see things start to pump because the Federal Reserve is being a Debbie Downer right now because of that meeting, guys. So here's more evidence that even after the dump, we still had the BTC supply and exchange still managed to make an all-time low. The dip will continue to be bought by the whales, institutions from retail. So the supply shock pump is coming, guys. So we should have a supply shock pump coming, because what's happening is this is a manipulation. This is a shakeout by the whales and institutions to make you, the Debbie Downers, the retail investors, the weak Nancy's out there, the weak Joe public, to drop your coins. So stop it. Wake up, guys. Wake up. Don't give the whales an opportunity to gobble up your coins cheap, guys. So remember, the end of the bull run is not here. We're still, even if we're going to say, okay, the end of the bull run is December 31st, we still got 2 weeks, guys. So a lot can happen in 2 weeks. Trust me. I've seen Bitcoin in a very short period of time pump like crazy. So get ready. By the December 31st, we could be seeing 75 to 80K Bitcoin easy. Will it go higher beyond that? At this point, nobody knows. We need to see how things pan out. Will Bitcoin suddenly, the first week in January, do a major dumpity dump, 50, 60%? It could. It's done that in the past, guys. You get the blow off top, and then you get this huge dump, guys. It could happen. Let's see. But remember, this bull run is different than any other bull runs because it is full of institutions have bought in. We've got ETFs like we never had before. So what is my extra strategy? I'm telling you right now that December 31st, no matter what the price is, I'm going to be doing a 30 to 50% drawdown on my Bitcoin. I'm only talking Bitcoin, okay? Because I think once Bitcoin takes a bit of a dump, we could see the altcoins start to go on a tear, right? So guys and gals, just remember that I will be taking a drawdown around minimum 30% of my Bitcoin, up to 50% depending on the price on December 31st. It doesn't matter what the price is, I'm drawing down. Get some tea. So I'm drawing down. I'm just doing that. I like to play it safe, and then I'll keep the balance in there and then go crazy. And hopefully by middle of March or April, I should be out of most of my Bitcoin, and I will convert it to stable coins. That way, when we hit the 2023, when Bitcoin is going to be ka-ching, gone down, down. I'm going to have some cash on the sides so I can buy up like a crazy man, because 2025 Bitcoin is going to be insane in the membrane. Let's take a look at Bitcoin price on the weekly right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at $48,337 in the house, guys. Smash the like, comment, and don't forget to give a super chat in the house right now. Do it. And we're going to talk about Doge. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu, but there's been no real news for Doge. Shiba Inu, we got the gaming, we got the burning, we got this. There's been really no big news. We got the BitPay thing. We got the Bitstamp thing, we got the Flexa thing, we got all these catalysts for going on for Shiba Inu, but because we've been in a kind of a downward spiral for Bitcoin, we haven't seen any pumpity pump. It's just been going sideways, so that's good. At least it's holding its own. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the 4 hour, once again, Bitcoin is at $48,437. We had this huge descending support line. We need to break past the support line. It was looking pretty good. Let me just make that a little bit bigger, guys. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Make it bigger in the house so you guys can see it. Okay, hold on. Whoops, daisy. Let me get that over. So you can see that Bitcoin, it kind of, this was this cascading flash crash. It went up, and we kind of formed kind of a W pattern here, and it tried to break out from this descending line here, got rejected. So this is what we got to break past, guys. We have to break past that. If we can't break past that, it's going to be bad news for Bitcoin. But I think Bitcoin is looking okay. If we look at the 50 week moving average, Bitcoin is looking okay, guys. And we're going to talk about that in a second. So that's why I believe we're going to see a monster bull move. Means whales could secure the next Bitcoin price surge. Classic bull run forecasting metric goes full bull, while whales look to hedge exposure to the Federal Reserve this week, guys. So remember, we got this whole Federal Reserve meeting on the 16th, but we're getting some contradictory indicators. So this is a 30-day weekly moving average, and we see strong bullish trends in this metric have preceded every strong bullish price trend of this bull and just printed the monster bull move. So we're seeing a monster bull move right now, and but the other thing is we're also seeing, like I said, the exchanges are down. The amount of Bitcoin exchanges are down. We're seeing 30-day weekly moving averages. We just hit a huge bull signal for that. So things should be moving up, but also we got Fed pressure on BTC. The flip side, however, lies with stablecoins. We're seeing that redemptions of those hit all-time highs. We're seeing tons of stablecoin being taken off. Redeemed stablecoin index indicates that all-time high, and that means that some whales have been cashing out ahead of market volatility in response to the 16th Federal Reserve meeting, guys. So we got this huge meeting. So what we need to do, we need to be careful, and some uncertainties will be resolved. So we're actually seeing that redeemed stablecoin has been huge, guys, and that's because people are getting skittish. We've been going in this downward trend almost like 2 weeks now, right? It's been since we had this whole cascading flash for Bitcoin. We've just been going basically down since December 4th, so it's almost like 10 days now. We've been just going sideways here. We did leg up a little bit, then we went all the way down. We did leg up a little bit, so we're going down now. So I anticipate if we follow this pattern, look what happened. This was artificial, right? Then we picked up again. Then we went down. We picked up again. We went all the way down. We traded sideways for a while. Then we're picking up. We're going to go sideways. And I think we're going to go sideways till after the 16th. And then after the 16th, we could start to retest $51,000, $52,000 in the house. That's what I think is going to happen. I think it's going to be pretty cool beans in terms of things are going to be cool until the 16th of December. And then hopefully the last week and a half of December, we should hopefully get ourselves up to around about 78,000 in the house. That's what I'm hoping is going to happen. I hope it happens. It better happen. So with that being said, guys, we're still seeing the fear and greed index right now is at 28. I still think this is a good time to pick stuff up. I still think that this bull run still got at least a couple more weeks left before the gas runs out. Maybe it can extend longer. So I would still be a buyer at this price for Bitcoin right now. And let's take a look at Doge in the house. Doji Woji is just doing its thing. It's trading at 16.35. It's probably going to go. It probably go down to 15 cents. I'm sure of it. And nothing really is happening. We're just really range bound between 18 and 15 cents, and that's what's going to happen, guys. Nothing is going to happen with the Doge until we see Bitcoin breakout. Shiba Inu right now is just above its support line at 34. Nothing's happening. Sideways. It's been going basically sideways right now since the 10th of December on the 4-hour, and basically I would really say since it kind of broke out of this channel here since the 6th, it's just been going sideways. It's boring, guys. It's absolutely boring. If you take a look at the Doge as well, Doge is just doing the same thing. It's basically been going sideways all along here, and it's just been range bound, and nothing's going to happen until Bitcoin. So we're waiting for the whole Bitcoin catalyst to come out. Ethereum as well, it's just going sideways. It's just under 4,000. It's been there all day today, and Ethereum is kind of ranged between a high of 4,100 and 41.46 and a low of 39.13. So right now, yeah, it's just going range bound. That's all we can do. Solana in the house as well. It's it attempted to get past this descending triangle here, this slope line, but it didn't quite do that, guys, and that was kind of depressing in the house. So for Solana right now, it's just waiting. We just got to wait. We have this overhead resistance 171, 165. Nothing's going to happen with Solana until Bitcoin makes a move. And I think but Solana is a good pickup, guys. I think this is a good pickup zone. I believe it's going to be a good pickup zone. I still think that Solana is going to take off by the end of this bull run. And if not, I think Solana is a good long-term hold. I think that by 2025 we could see Solana at least to $1,000, $2,000. So I'm just going to hold on to mine. I'm just holding on to mine. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. If you look at Matic as well, I like Matic. Matic right now is at $1.19, and $2 was huge support. Now it's become resistance, and Matic's taken a bit of a dumpy right now, and it's gone down like 8%. So it's not looking too good at all for Matic. And once again, the whole catalyst that we're waiting for is for Bitcoin, guys. And right now, let me just give this a minty refresh. Make sure we got the right info for you. And let's take internet slow. So right now the market cap is 2.28 trillion. The volumes are super duper low, guys. Super duper low. It's crazy how low the volumes are. It's unbelievable. The dominance is above 40. That's not good. Let's take a look at the coins in the house. Right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 48,547. That's down 2.31%. It was just over 49 in my previous video. Ethereum was over 4,000 in my previous video. It was down 1.2%, and that's at 3,992. Binance is down as well, and it's off 4.07%, and it's at 546. Solana is down 2.65%. It's at 165. I think it's still a good pickup, guys. Absolutely good pickup. DOT is down as well, 2.47%. And it's at 27. Luna's down 4%. It's at 58. So everything's pretty boring, guys. We're seeing that Shiba Inu just flipped the Avalanche, so that's kind of interesting. And the SHIB is up 0.61% at 35. We're seeing that Dogecoin is down 16 cents right now. CRO is down as well, 4%. We're seeing Matic has gone down 7%, guys. So it's all looking pretty gnarly out there, guys. It's a jungle. It's a crypto jungle out there. So it's not looking too good right now in the house, guys. And we're seeing. Let me just check out just refresh this for you, and we're seeing that the total market cap is down like 1.8%. The OG portfolio in the house right now is also going down, down, and we're only up 22%, guys. So things are not looking too good right now in the house overall, guys. So with that being said, hopefully this has not been too much of a Debbie Downer. But here's some interesting information. Only 98% of the world doesn't own. 90% of the total Bitcoin supply has already been mined, and 98% of the rest of the world doesn't own it yet. So if you're owning Bitcoin right now, you are actually one of the few. And if you're owning one Bitcoin, you are like you're like up there, guys. Also, some other breaking news is Germany's latest savings bank is planning to allow customers to buy and sell and hodl Bitcoin. So that's huge, guys. So Sparkasse has over 50 million customers. So this is really, really a good catalyst. So, guys, I believe that there's going to be a monster bull run, not a monster bull run, but a monster breakout soon for Bitcoin, guys. I think all the paper hands have been shook out. I know a lot of you out there are like not feeling so good right now, not feeling a good vibe, and feeling pretty down and out about the way things are. A lot of you are questioning your sanity right now. Is this the end of crypto? Is this the end of the bull run? I still think there's still enough gas in the tank, at least for another couple of weeks, guys. So don't panic, guys. Please don't panic. And I just want to say, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, guys. Cheer up. It's gonna get better, guys. I love you guys to death. I'll see you soon. Woo! Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go and once again follow my links down below, guys, and buy the channel a coffee if you could. And don't forget to check out the merch once again. Get the mug, and don't forget to go to the Wifey's channel. You're gonna love it. So, guys and gals, I just want to say God bless each and everyone. Merry Christmas in the house, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Woo!